welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to rename wallet in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. First of all, launch open Unstoppable Crypto Wallet on your device and log in using your credential. Also make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, go to the menu icon. You should be on your balance tab, which is at the bottom of your screen. You cannot access it on Market or Transaction tab. Click on the menu icon which is at the top left corner of your screen. You can also do this by going to the Settings tab and click on Manage Wallets option. The same interface will appear. Now, select the wallet which you want to rename. Click on the three dots right next to it. After that, you will see a current name of the wallet. Tap on the field and delete the current name. And type in the new name for the wallet. After typing it, you can click on Save button which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see that your wallet has been renamed. So that is how you can rename wallet in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.